Hi, my name is Alexandra Simard and I am studying police technology. I have been in this program for 1 year and a half. This program teaches me techniques to communicate well with citizens and to help them if they are victims. Also, I am learning how to arrest someone who committed a crime. Therefore, the role of a police officer is to keep the peace, to protect citizens, and to arrest those who disturb the peace. In my future profession, I will need to help people who are victims of violent crimes, homeless people, and people who have mental health issues. Mental health issues is a very common problem in our society. As a future police officer, different websites can be very useful if I don't know how to help and how to interact with people who have mental health problems. I will show you a good website that can be very useful to help people who have mental health issues. First of all, you need to open a new tab and write the URL in the address bar at the top of the screen, which is how to support someone with mental health issues. The publication is published on the website mentalhealthfoundation.org. First of all, in the top of the screen in the middle, there is the logo of the website. The logo is Mental Health Foundation. Also, in the top right corner of the screen, there is an icon Donate if you want to give money to help people who have mental health problems. First of all, this website is very useful because it shows what are the signs of mental health issues. You need to scroll down a little bit. For example, it says that if a person have low confidence, lose his appetite, and get irritable, this can be signs that this person have a depression. This website shows different signs that a depressed, anxious, or even a suicidal person can deal with. Also, if you scroll down the screen, you can see how to intervene in a crisis. This is very useful for my future intervention as a police officer because I will have to help a lot of people who have mental health issues. For example, this website tells that in a crisis you need to avoid confrontation, listen without making judgment, ask them what would help them and encourage them to seek professional help. Also, if you scroll down the screen, you can see a lot of useful organization and resources to help people who have mental health problems. For example, you can propose the resource Samaritain, Mind Offline, Step Change, Mind ED, and many more. The best resources seems to be Samaritain because it is available 24 hours a day, and the Mind Offline, who is open 5 days per week. These resources are free and are confidential, so the person can feel free to talk about their issues. These resources can be very useful in my future intervention with people who have mental health issues because I can propose those resources to them. To conclude, I think that this website is very useful for my future profession, and it can also be useful for everyone. In fact, I may not always know how to intervene with people who have mental health issues. Therefore, this website will be useful if I want to know what are the signs of mental health issues, different ways to help these people, and resources to offer to them. Thank you and have a nice day.